Max Money Tribe, Max Money family, what's going on, man? It's been a great weekend. I was on vacation. I just watched them Cowboys do their thing, but we got to get back to the money, guys. The last video was huge. I appreciate every one of you that joined the tribe, smashing that subscribe button, crushing the thumbs up. I really, really do appreciate it. This video is jam-packed with short squeezes for this coming week, as well as Shiba coin. I gotta clear up the rumors. And on top of that, they just had huge news to back it up. So I have all that jam-packed in this video, guys. All you gotta do is subscribe or hit the notification bell so you see the video as soon as they drop. Now let's get into it. I wanna jump right over, jump right into the Shiba coin news. So you might have heard some rich billionaires come out and say, oh, it's worthless because there's a quadrillion supply of them. That was partially true at one point. There was a quadrillion shares of them. So let's check it out. SHIB started with a supply of one quadrillion, but the Shiba Inu team gave 50% of it to Bbig. I believe that's how you say his name. Now, I believe he is the founder of Ethereum, who burned most of that in a dead wallet. Recently, the token's developers tweeted that they have implemented a burn procedure to reduce the supply. So, Bbig, I believe that's how you say his name, he burned 50% of the supply of SHIB coin because he doesn't even need it. You know what I'm saying? He's already rich. He doesn't even need it. So he burned half of it. So it's not 1 quadrillion anymore. It's already half of that. So it's already went up in value. That's why you've seen the spike months ago. That's old news. But now Shiba was stepping it up and they came out with something even better. So this is why you need to jump in when you find a position. And I'll show you my wallet, what I have in there, so you guys know I'm transparent on this channel. So let's check it out. Doge killer Shiba Inu announces new strategy for burning SHIB, leash, and bone. Now those are things that are all tied to Shiba Inu. Has announced its latest partnership for burning SHIB ecosystem tokens, popular as Doge Killer has unveiled plans to boost the utility of SHIB, leash, and bone. So right here, it said right here, launched in August 2020, upgrades to the ecosystem. We are proud to announce that we will be establishing a partnership with Now Payments. Now Payments will onboard the SHIB trifecta, SHIB, leash, and bone, starting with SHIB burning a percentage of each transaction. So every time you use it, it's going to get burned. So this is huge for the SHIB army, man. I'm part of that. Let me know if you are. Drop it down in the comments. You might be part of the Doge army too. You can do both, people. It's okay. Make the money. Now, this is how it works. SHIB traders are waiting the launch of Shibash's, I don't know how you say that, the 10,000 NFTs minted on Shiba Swap, burned through nowpayments.io and the project's foray into gaming. The token's ongoing price rally has increased its market capitalization and on-chain activity. So Shiba Inu's Twitter has crossed 1 million followers. The token now has 720,000 followers based on data from Block Explorer and analytics platform. So Shiba token took 14 months to hit a market capitalization of $12 billion. And Dogecoin took over 2 years to hit that same milestone. So it took 14 months for Shiba to do it. SHIB price corrected more than 20%. It came down. But it says right here, however, analysts have confirmed that there is room to grow. Cryptocurrency analyst Bitcoin BR expects SHIB price to hit an all-time high before further correction. So you see the analysts are starting to get behind it as well. I know there's been some hate on it, but right there, man, there's more news coming. FX Street Analysis have evaluated the Shiba price trend and predicted that the meme coin, that's what they're calling it, would likely surge to 3,000. It already crossed that, people. It already destroyed that. It was at like 3,400, I believe, 3,500. So that's kind of even old in itself. Now I'm gonna jump into my Shiba wallet real quick so you guys know how much I got, what I'm doing with it, what's my plans on it. So as you see, This is all for Shiba coin. I don't do anything else with crypto.com. I do have a link, get you $25 free to jump on the platform. Now, my price target for this, I will be loading up if it drops down to 1700, what I call the 1700 range right here. It was October 5th when it was last around that range. So that's when I will load another 5 to 6 million. As of right now, I'm letting it ride. This is about a $200 investment for me. I got back in this on May. I'm loving the ride, guys. This has so many catalysts, and I keep saying, wait until Robinhood listed in his crypto wallet. Supposedly, wait until that happens, guys. I have 26 million shares. Now, let's get into the short squeeze list, guys. I'm currently sitting at $2,139, $400 for the week. The live thing has me down because I have the Dogecoin reoccurring payment on here. So Doge is currently down a few cents. But let's get down to our squeeze plays. Now, jumping right into it, I like BBIG. They have a lot of dates coming up, as well as they have this 52-week high of 1249. And I'm just waiting for them to find a nice little bottom here and pull themselves up, guys. It's okay to take a breather, and that's exactly what it's doing. So it's still looking good, man. It showed good strength in the previous day. If we go back to it, so right here was around this $5 mark. It jumped up there, showing a little strength, consolidated. Now it's back down. It depends on how you look at this. This could be a head and shoulders right here. Good head, both shoulders. We will see. We will see. I like that. Now, if we focus on CEI, the 1 billion volume that it's been holding close to, 968 volume on this thing. I like CEI, man. It introduced the options on it, as well as the Carousel lawsuit that it had going for it, where it created a lot of dilution with this CEI, with this stock. So that threw a lot of people for a loop, and that's what the big sell-off really was due to. But you can ride this up and down. But with that type of volume, I'm telling you, if people shorted it, man, these shorts will have to cover, because this used to be down there. This was down here at 46 cents. Even if we go back a month, it was down here at 90 cents on September 11th. It didn't hit it again right about here a few days ago. So if they're shorting this, you got to be careful, man, because you will get burned. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this will have about a $5 price target. I don't know when. It's a lot of waiting and seeing how it consolidates, guys. I really like CEI. I might grab me a couple shares. I love options, so I'm definitely might be in and out of an option. That's why I'm really trying to grow the channel so I can go live more often and show you guys exactly when that happens. Now, another one I don't want us to sleep on is Farmy. It's selling off a little bit, but this stock has a huge potential as well. Volume is 139 million for this little teeny stock, man. 135. It averages 454 million. And right here, you see that it had a low where it got down here about 30 cents. It ran all the way back up to 40 cents. And now it's right here in the middle, 35. So it has that potential. We go out a month, it was sitting down here at 19 cents. Imagine if you rode that up. Let me know if you rode this up on Farmy, on the FAMI ticker symbol. They are in the mushroom sector. Now they have a 52-week high of $2.47. Now that's a ride I would like to be on, guys. And that was back in February. So that was this year. It jumped up there. So that's amazing, guys. Keep this one on your radar, as well as other ones like AMC. I'm waiting for it to test that $40 range. And when it breaks it, it could be back in the game as well as any of them. AMC is the big dog. We definitely respect AMC over here, and those apes are crazy. I always jump into options on this, and they mostly call options, guys. I wouldn't be daring trying to put a call option on this thing and it jumps up $10 for the day, or even goes even crazier. So tomorrow we're hoping for a green day, guys. Right now, last I checked, the futures were down a little bit, but that's always unsure. It wasn't down big. It was down a little bit, and it could be a fake me out, guys. That's what I'm thinking. I do have a call option for first thing in the morning, just change basically $24. I have a few longer calls for Friday. I'm going to play those accordingly, guys. I'm trying to get any profit I can in this stock market, guys. Thank you again, Max Money family. Your boy Alvin will check in tomorrow midday. Look for the video, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you.